Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use tr command on Linux. Okay, so let's open the terminal. And what is a tr command and what can we do with it? Tr command reads from the standard input and transform characters. And it's very important to say that it doesn't work directly on files, so you have to use it with pipes in a command line. So I will show you how you can use it and why it might be so useful. So let's say that we want to print a text. So we will write echo and, for example, hello world. This command will print me this text from here. So I will press enter. As you can see, it is printing me this text. And let's say that we want to convert this text from lower cases to upper cases. So we can use tr command to do it, and we have to do something like this. So we have to again write this command same as above. We have to use pipe, as I said before, and right now we can use a tr command. So we want to convert from lowercase to uppercase like this. So we have to do it from lowercase to uppercase, and we will press enter, and as you can see, my text has been transformed from lowercase to uppercase. As I said before, of course, we can do it in the opposite way. So I can do something like this. So I will print hello. As you can see, it is printing me hello with the uppercase, and I can convert it with tr, but we have to switch this option. So from uppercase to lowercase like this, and as you can see, it is also working. So tr command might be also useful if we want to delete some characters. So let's say that we have text like this. So again, we will print something with hello. I will write, for example, 1 2 3 and word. Let's say that we want to delete this number. So we want to delete 1 2 3. How can we do it? Again, we have to use pipe and tr command, and right now we have to use option delete. So -d, and we have to specify what we want to delete. So we want to delete numbers. So we want to delete something from 0 to 9. I will press enter, and as you can see, it is working. My numbers have been deleted. Right now, maybe I will show you how can we, I would say, squeeze repeated characters. So let's say that we have something like this. So echo hello. We have, for example, 4o, like 4 spaces, and world. How can we remove this o and the spaces? We can do something like this. So again, but wait, I accidentally clicked something, so I have to again rewrite this. And now we can use tr command with the option -s. As I said, this stands for like squeeze, and this will compress my repeated characters into a single one. So we have to specify it, so we will do space and o like this, and I will press enter. As you can see, it is working. The text is the same as in the first examples. The first example, I mean. We can do also something like this. So how can we replace spaces with new lines? So let's say that we have something like this. 1 2 and 3. We want to make it to, I would say, change it to something like when 1 is in the first line, 2 is in the second line, and 3 is in the third line. How can we do it? We can also use tr command, and we have to use something like this. So like this, and we have to specify the new line. It is similar to the programming languages, this new line, and we have to close that, I would say, and we can press enter, and as you can see, we have it in the new lines, as I said before. So now I will show you that you can also work with files with this command. So as I said before, you can't work directly with files, but you can use pipes and you can use cat command. So I prepared a file that looks like this. It is test.txt, I guess. And as you can see, we have, for example, 2 additional spaces right there. We have a double T. We have a lot of T's and a lot of spaces. Let's say that we want to use this squeeze, I would say, option in order to delete these T's and delete the spaces. How can we do it with file? It is very similar to the previous example with printing the text, so we have to use something like this. So cat file.txt, and right now we have to add the tr option, and with option minus s, and we have to specify what you want to delete. So we will delete spaces and we will delete teeth, like we did before, and we can press enter. But it's not file.txt, maybe test.txt, I don't really remember. Yes, this was test.txt, and as you can see, my teeth and my spaces have been removed and everything looks fine. So this is how you can use it on files. You can test other options that I showed you before, but I think this might be useful. And this is all in this video. If you know how to use tr command on Linux, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.